I would like to show you how to post a free listing on Island eGuide, a comprehensive directory of everything within the islands, all businesses, restaurants, activities, hotels, accommodations. You can see what kind of listings we have here and which kind of categories you can pick from. To post a free listing, go up to advertise on the top. You're going to want to log in or sign up at the top here and provide your email address and a password. Click advertising. These are your listing options. You can see that you get much more if you pay for the yearly subscription, but if you just want turn-by-turn directions and your phone number and your business on the website and the app, you can sign up for free. You also have event, classified, article, and banner options. I'm going to click sign up. Type in your business name. Click which category your business is in. You have to select a category here. It's going to be in activities. And put in a couple of keywords that describes your business. This is going to be good for your Google search. You can enter up to 10 keywords here. Your phone number, your street address or PO box address. If you have a street address and a PO box, you can put your street address here, your PO box down, and address too. And once you start typing in your address, the map will appear here. And finish selecting where you are, which island you're on. Then you can zoom in and you can move your marker if you like. Sometimes it gets it right on with the address. You can put your hours of operation in here, or you can leave it blank. Once you click save, it will go to your dashboard, and it's going to show you what you have pending, and once something is approved, then it's going to say approved, and you can see your listing on both the website and the app. So we received an email that said our free listing was posted and approved. So you go to the website islandeguide.com and you can search your listing. And here you're going to see your phone number, how people can share it, where they can write a review. And on the app, they are going to see turn-by-turn directions with the Google Maps. You can go to your sponsor area, and you can see your reviews and any activity that's going on with your listing. We hope that you enjoy Island eGuide, and we hope that you can post your free listing. Call us with any questions.